Okay. Ross got it in his head that he was getting sick and tired of looking at these things. This is the third time since he's been here that he's cut all this stuff down. This morning I trimmed the willow by the waterfalls. I got sick and tired of looking at all those willows and not being able to see any of the birds.
Constant struggle.
Yeah, I know. I could just round up the place, say to hell with it. Turn the water off and wait 2 weeks and everything will be dead and dried up. Actually, that's one of them things I've never had to worry about really, because after a few years, those tree roots are down pretty good the way I've watered them. Yeah, you can cut them bastards down too. Yeah.
Or just get Jimmy back over here.
Yeah, get him back. Yeah, you hear that, Jimmy?
Jimmy? We miss you, Jimmy!
But I like those.
Yeah.
In there.
Oh, God. Yeah, the problem is that they are a nuisance. Ask Mike when you see him about them. When we got here, what was it, 2 years ago, he came and camped with me, and the whole pond was full. I mean, literally, you could hardly see any water.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, that's how invasive they are. And granted, I know all about eating them and all that other good stuff. My kids...
What are they?
Cattails.
Oh.
One of the people I know on Facebook posted a picture of wild corn dogs. And it's got ketchup all over it. And the comment is something like, no, these things don't taste like I remember them. And it don't matter how much mustard you put on them.
Yeah.
Do you mind being in one of my videos if I show who you are and all?
No,
or?
I don't mind. I've been in other people's videos too. And I do my own YouTube too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Just basically for my family though.
This is Lori.
Yep.
She came by last night with Christina. Friends of Ross's. This is the first time I've met either one of them. Except him. I met him before.
What's your channel?
Yeah. If you want people to watch it.
Sure. It's Lori's Way.
Lori's Way.
Yeah.
L-O-R-I.
L-O-R-R-I-E.
L-O-R-R-I-E.
Yeah.
Way.
Yeah, I do things my way.
Gotcha. I know the feeling. All that other stuff around him, that spiky stuff, that's horsehair. That's another one of them spendy ass herbs that people tell me I should harvest.
Herbs for what?
I think that one's a pain herb. I'm not sure. Native Americans use it quite a bit.
Looking a little better?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, you can almost put a chair on there and
We
have
used
a nice relaxing spot.
We used to have 2 chairs and a table out there, and it was lit. We had solar lights out there too. Yeah, this place had this was all lit up. I had lights up in between the 2 beams up above, right here, and you couldn't see them if you were sitting there. You couldn't actually see them, but all the light went down and out, so the whole place was bathed in it. And I had over 30 solar lights out and about. Now I'm down to 6, and I don't even pay attention to them. They're in the shade here, so I have to, if I want to keep using them, I have to move them out every morning into the sun because it's so shady.
Transforming right before your eyes.
Yeah, it are.
That's really what I wanted to get, was that.
Yeah.
It bothered me for like a week or two, that side over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think, Lori? Did I get it off?
Yes. Well, looks good.
Alright.
Definitely. Quite the little bridge, huh?
Yep.
That was from, I think the tree that you just trimmed on the island, I think that was some of its branches that created that. Thank you, Mr. Ross.
Very welcome, sir.
Even though I know it was getting on your nerves, so you did it just because.
Well, hopefully that'll earn me another day here.
All right. Later. Definitely like nicer.
Oh, yeah.
That's party. That's party. Thanks, sir. I just turned the pump on, and he come running over here. Now he's barking at it. What a goofball! What a goofball! You're gonna fall in. He don't care. What do you think, you doofus? That's Poppy. He showed up last night. Okay, this is Pop Pop, and Lori's making him swim. This is second time.
Get him. Get him. Good boy.
Ooh, that big fish came after you.
Yeah. Get him. Get him, Papa.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Right off the deck and away he goes. Sorry, folks.
Speed racer.
Yeah. Oh, this is the other guest that showed up yesterday. This is Christina. I heard him. Oh, there he is. He's hiding from you. Ah! What do you think, you little zoomer?
Papa. Come here, baby. Come here. Hi, baby.
So, just so you know, at least the animals around here enjoy themselves. Not only is it for fish, but it's for dog training, water sports.